At one time in a not-so-distant past, the blacksmith shop was a central hub of a community. On nearly every street corner in New York City, there was a blacksmith shop. Blacksmiths made things of metal from wrought iron, and almost everything was made by hand. A community could not survive and thrive without the skills of a blacksmith. Blacksmiths made the tools others needed to work with. They also made knives, nails, door hinges, iron tires, and the metal parts for wagons. And they fixed and repaired anything that was made of metal that a community needed, like plows, tools, and the iron tires around the wagon wheels that had to be retightened on occasion. They could weld pieces of metal together by a process called forge welding. They also made nails and shoes for horses, and many of them shod horses as well. With the use of an anvil and a cold forge, hammers to shape the metal, and tongs to hold a hot iron with, a good blacksmith could turn a sow's ear into a silk purse. Blacksmiths were the original recyclers. Metal was usually in short supply, especially in rural areas, so nothing was allowed to go to waste. However, as the Industrial Revolution was unfolding, many things were becoming machine-made, including horseshoes. And with the invention of the automobile and the machine welder, the blacksmith trade was becoming extinct. Many blacksmiths turned their knowledge into becoming welders and mechanics for the new machines being mass-produced. So by the 1950s and 60s, the blacksmith trade was at a very low historical point. Although by the mid to late 1970s, people were growing tired of seeing the same old mass-produced products. Machines cannot produce the artistic quality of the hand-making skills and ability of the blacksmith. This led to a resurgence in the artistry of the blacksmith's hammer, and it brought the old coal fires back to life. In this video, I am using a standard gas forge that many farriers use. It's convenient to use and produces a quick heat source that will also quickly heat metal. Although I still use a coal forge on certain occasions, like when I make the horseshoe heart hook. It has to go through a forge welding process, and coal heats the metal hotter than my gas forge does, which is necessary to do forge welding. Most of my hand-forged products are made from recycled horseshoes. You can see more of my artwork at problemfreeshoeing.com.